What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the energy revolution system before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the energy revolution system works. What is the energy revolution system? The energy revolution system is a comprehensive guide that teaches you how to generate renewable, low-cost energy for your home. Using a proven and effective method, this system helps you break free from expensive power bills by creating a self-sustaining energy source that works anywhere, in any climate. This system is designed to be easy to implement, requiring no specialized skills or expensive tools. Whether you live in an urban area or a remote location, the energy revolution system can help you achieve energy independence and financial freedom. How does it work? The energy revolution system teaches you exactly how to build your own power generator using affordable materials that you can find at any hardware store. The system is based on innovative technology that maximizes energy output while minimizing costs,